SenSura Mio Concave. Instruction for use. Cut a hole in the adhesive to fit the exact size and shape of the stoma using a pair of small curved scissors and the cutting guide on the adhesive. Place the bag on a flat surface with the adhesive side down. Close the outlet by folding the bottom of the outlet upwards 3 times so that the Velcro strip becomes visible. Fold the 2 tabs inwards to secure the Velcro. Thoroughly clean the stoma and the surrounding skin area. The skin must be completely dry before applying the adhesive. Flip all 5 petals to prepare the adhesive for application. And peel off the protective film from the adhesive. Hold the adhesive with the petals folded back and align the center part around the stoma. Press the center part carefully onto the skin, then flip the petals down over the outward area. Press the adhesive firmly onto the skin from the center and out. To ensure a tight seal to the skin, carefully apply pressure on the adhesive between the ring and your stoma. Apply pressure from the center of the adhesive and outwards in multiple directions to ensure secure adhesion between the adhesive and the skin around the stoma. Secure between the petals first and then on the petals. To empty the bag, open the outlet and empty the bag into the toilet when needed. Clean the outlet, for example, with toilet paper. Fold and re-secure the outlet after you have emptied it. Gently remove the bag by pulling the removal ear on the adhesive away from the stomach and roll the adhesive slowly downwards. Apply light pressure on your skin with your free hand to help removal. Please check the instruction for use in the retail box for complete information.